In this class, we will discuss about trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degrees. We are discussing some spatial, what? We are discussing some spatial angles. In our syllabus, we are having some spatial angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, and 60 degree, and finally 90 degree. So 45 degrees and 30 and 60 degrees we completed. Now 2 spatial degrees are remaining, 0 degree and 90 degree. We want trigonometry ratios of these 2 degrees. If we are having 0 degree and 90 degrees, then what will be the value of trigonometry ratios? Like what is the trigonometry ratios? We are having 6 trigonometry ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. We want values at 0 degree and 90 degree of these trigonometry ratios. So in this class we will study about these degrees and what will be the values of these trigonometry ratios at 0 degree and 90 degree. So first I am taking trigonometry ratios of 0 degree. Then we will discuss about trigonometry ratios of 90 degree. So what about trigonometric ratios of 0 degree? Observe, we are having one right triangle. This is what? Right triangle. And it is right angled at B. This one is right triangle, and it is for finding ratios of trigonometry we consider what? Right triangle. So ABC is a right triangle and it is right angled at B. Clear? And remaining 2 angles A and C are what? Acute angles. Clear? Now I am taking A as a acute angle. We are having 2 acute angles. I am taking this as a acute angle. Then its opposite side. Its opposite side is what? This one. It will be what? Perpendicular. Observe. Its opposite side will be what? Perpendicular. And its adjacent side will be what? Base. So its opposite side will be perpendicular. This will be base. And this will be what? Hypotenuse. Clear? But once this angle, what? This acute angle, what? Acute angle A is 0. This acute angle is 0. Once we reduce, observe carefully. I hope you understand these all things if you observe carefully. So once we reduce this angle to 0, I am reducing this angle. Angle A is reducing. Once I reduce this one, this angle is reducing. If it is what? It is the acute angle below 90 degree, and I am going to be reduced. This, and this, and there. In all diagrams, my acute angle A is reducing. Suppose this is the 50 degree. I am reducing 40 degree. Then 25 degree. Then 0. So in these diagrams, what is happening? This acute angle A is going to be reduced. This angle is decreasing. These two, this, and this. And finally in this diagram, observe this diagram, their acute angle A is 0. It means we will consider theta as a 0. Angle is reducing, and in this diagram we are getting theta equal to 0. A is reduced to 0. Once when angle is very close to 0 or angle A is 0 degree, it means what? Angle A is 0 degree. It means this line AC is getting like this. When it is reduced to 0, then this line AC is the same as BC or not? This angle is reduced, A is reduced. It means this hypotenuse for this acute angle is going to be reduced. Reducing. Finally where? It is this one, AC. AC is what? AB. AC coincide with AB. It means exist together. AC and AC and AB both will be equal. It means once we reduce the angle, why we are doing this one? We want the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. It means our degree theta is what? 0. It means theta is 0. Then this one is 0. It means this AC will be merged with AB. AC will be equal to AB. AC will be coincide with AB. Exist together. So AC equal to AB and this will be 0. When angle A is very close to 0, BC gets very close to 0. It means what? AC, this angle is 0. It means what is happening? This angle is going to be reduced. It means it is reducing, angle is reducing. Indirectly what we are getting? This side, this perpendicular side for A, BC is also reducing. A is reducing, BC will reducing, BC will reducing, BC will be reducing, and finally it is what? BC equal to 0. BC will be 0. Yes or no? Easy concept. Once angle 0, BC will be 0 and AC will be what? Equal to AB. Finally we can say these things. A 0, BC will be 0, AC will be equal to AB. Then we can easily to say sine 0. We want sine 0. Sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Clear? So in which what is the perpendicular? BC is perpendicular. What is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. When A is acute angle, then we are getting this one. Now what about the BC? When angle A is 0, BC is what? When angle, finally I am writing result there, angle A equal to 0, then BC equal to 0 and AC equal to AB. This is the final conclusion. Clear? When angle A equal to 0, this angle A is 0, then BC will be 0 and this AC will be equal to AB. Now observe, sine 0 equal to BC upon AB, in which angle A is 0, then BC equal to 0, 0 upon AC. AC equal to what? AB. AC equal to what? AB. So finally 0 upon, so we can write there AC is what? AC is what? AB. We can write. Clear? Now 0 upon AB. 0 upon AB is what? Once numerator is 0 and denominator is having some length, it is equal to AB. So numerator is 0, denominator is other than 0, then sine 0 will be what? 0. So we are having sine 0 equal to 0 in the table. Clear? So sine 0 equal to 0, how it is coming? From this way. Clear? Now cos 0 is what? Base upon hypotenuse. What is the base in which? Base is the AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB is equal to what? AB is AB. Clear? AC is what? AB. AC, when angle A equal to 0, then this one what? AB. AC equal to what? Hypotenuse will be AB. AC equal to AB. So we are writing, solving, we are getting 1. So cos 0 is 1. Clear? Now remaining we can find without any problem. Tangent theta, tangent 0 will be sine 0 upon cos 0, and finally we are getting 0. Cot theta will be reciprocal of tangent 0. Cot 0 will be what? 1 upon tangent 0, or we can say cos 0 upon sine 0. So cos 0 is what? 1. Sine 0 is what? 0. 1 upon 0. If we are having denominator equal to 0 and numerator is any value, then result will be what? Not defined. So in which we are having denominator equal to 0, so result will be what? Not defined. And not defined is what? Infinity. So what we are getting? Infinity value. Infinity values we are getting for the cot 0 degree. Sec 0 will be what? Sec 0 degree will be what? Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So sec 0 degree will be 1 upon cos 0 degree. Now what is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. So put this value there, then 1 upon 1 will be what? 1. So sec 0 degree will be what? 1. Sec 0 degree will be what? 1. Now last one, cosec 0 degree. What is the value of cosec theta? Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. Put this value there. So cosec 0 will be 1 upon sin 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. So 1 upon 0. Again denominator we are getting what? 0. If denominator is 0, numerator is any value, result will be what? Not defined. So we are getting infinity. So in the cot 0 and cosec 0, result will be what? Infinity we are getting, not defined result we are getting. Clear? So these all trigonometry ratios of 0 degree, we obtain the values of trigonometry ratios of 0 degree. So sin 0 will be what? 0, cos 0 will be what? 1, tangent 0 will be ratio of what? 0 upon 1 will be what? 0, cot theta will be its reciprocal, so 1 upon 0 will be infinity, and sec 0 will be what? Reciprocal of cos theta, so 1 upon 1 will be 1, and finally cosec 0 will be reciprocal of sin 0, or we are getting infinity value. Now we want trigonometry ratios at angle 90 degree. If we are having angle 90 degree, then what will be the values of sin 90, cos 90, tangent 90 degree, cot 90 degree, sec 90 degree, and cosec 90 degree. So how we will find these values? So we are taking one right triangle in which B is right angled and B is 90 degree, and A is what? A and C are acute angle. I am taking A as a acute angle and it is equal to what? 90 degree. Once A is 90 degree, observe carefully. Once A is 90, when is it possible? When it is possible? 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. It means when we compress A and B, then we are getting what? We are compressing A and B. Then this AB length will be 0. AB length will be 0 and this will be there, and this will be what? 90 degree. So once angle A, this acute angle is 90 degree, and when it is possible? When we compress AB, then this line AC coincide with BC. It means AC and BC both exist together. Clear? And AB will be 0 and this angle will be 90 0. Observe again what I am saying. We want trigonometry ratios of 90 degree. So how we will find the trigonometry ratios of 90 degree? Our acute angle should be 90 degree. Theta will be what? 90 degree. And when it is possible? When this will be there. It means we compress both point AB equal to 0. When angle A equal to 90. Observe carefully. Angle A equal to 90, then AB equal to what? When is it possible? Angle A equal to 90 when AB equal to 0. AB equal to 0, and this, when this is 0, then this AC will be coincide with BC. So AC will be what? BC. Then we are getting this angle. Clear? So this is the main thing. What? When we want the trigonometry ratios of 90 degree. So angle A is 90, then AB will be 0, and this hypotenuse for this triangle, this is acute angle, so its perpendicular will be this one, its base will be this one, and its hypotenuse will be this one. Angle A 90, it means AB will be 0 and this side will be equal to this one. We are reducing this side, but this angle is going to be increased, This angle is greater, this angle is smaller than this one, this angle is smaller than this one, and this angle is smaller than this one. This is a 90, below 90, it is going like this. Clear? So angle is increasing. Once we increase the angle, suppose this is a 60 degree, we are increasing 75, 80, and then finally we are getting 90. Angle is increasing, then this length of this side, base will be reducing, and finally their base AB will be what? 0, and this hypotenuse will be what? Coincide with BC. So we can say AC equal to BC. Clear? Observe this one. So what will be the sin 90? What will be the sin theta? Perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? BC. BC upon not perpendicular. What is the sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is what? BC. Hypotenuse is what? AC. But when angle A is 90 degree, then AC equal to BC. So we are writing AC equal to BC. When solved, we are getting 1. So sin 90 will be what? 1. Cos 90 will be what? Base upon hypotenuse. What is the base? Base is AB. What is the base? Base is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AB upon AC. But when angle A is 90 degree, then AB is what? 0. AB is what? 0. Finally, we are getting numerator is 0 and denominator is other than 0. We are getting 0 result. Tangent 90 will be what? Ratio of both. Sin 90 upon cos 90. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. 1 upon 0. Denominator is 0. Numerator is other than 0. Sorry, numerator is any value. Denominator is 0. Then we are getting not defined value. Clear? And cot 90 will be reciprocal of this one. Sin 90 upon cos 90. Its reciprocal will be what? Cos 90 upon sin 90. Cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 is what? 1. 0 upon 1 will be what? 0. Sec 90 will be reciprocal of cos 90. 1 upon cos 90. 1 upon cos 90 is 0. 1 upon 0. Denominator is 0. Numerator is what? Any value. Then we are getting not defined value. Cosec 90 will be what? 1 upon sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. 1 upon 1 will be 1. So we are getting all the trigonometry ratios of 90 degree. And how we are getting? Once acute angle A is 90. How is it possible? Once AB, this base is 0 and this hypotenuse coincide with BC, then we are getting 90 degree. So that's all about this class. Thank you so much.